Hello and welcome to this presentation. I am going to show you how I am able to generate 20K per month promoting digital products online using Facebook ads and AI without having to show your face on camera. I am going to share with you how this simple strategy has completely transformed my affiliate marketing business. So if you have ever felt frustrated with Facebook ads, this video is for you. Let's dive in. A few years ago, I was all in on Facebook ads. I spent a lot of money trying to promote multiple affiliate offers, but nothing seemed to work. And then came iOS 14. With the iOS 14 update, tracking and targeting became even harder. My results went from bad to worse and I lost faith in Facebook ads. I then decided to focus on organic traffic, mainly Facebook and Instagram DMs. I used an automated tool to send hundreds of DMs daily. I saw some success, but it was time-consuming and not scalable. Fast forward in 2024 with Facebook's latest update and the integration of AI, I decided to give Facebook ads another shot. And let me tell you, my friend, the results have been absolutely amazing. With the help of AI, I am able to target my audience more precisely and optimize my ads in real time. I'm now generating $20,000 per month on a consistent basis. Facebook ads, combined with AI, have completely turned my business around. I want you to take a look at my screen. As you can see on my Stripe account, there are multiple transactions of $497. Which are the sales generated by the program I am promoting at the moment, and I am making around 2 sales per day. I made around $31,000 last month. The goal is to scale to $100,000 per month. Now let me give you the 4 steps you need to follow to generate these types of results. The first step is to find a product that is suitable with Facebook ads. Not every products work with Facebook ads. If you want to make a ton of money online, especially as a beginner, I recommend you to promote digital products. Promoting digital products offers high profit margins, scalability. You do not need to worry about shipping and handling. With digital products, you create the product one time and you can resell it multiple times all over the world. It allows for an automated sales process, creating passive income and flexibility to work from anywhere. If you don't have the capability to create your own digital product or to create a product that can sell for $497 or more, do not worry. I recommend you to sign up for a Master Resell Rights opportunity, also known as MRR. MRR allows you to purchase a product along with the rights to resell it to others, keeping 100% of the revenue. Yes, you heard me correctly, you get to keep 100% of each sale. Creating an online course usually requires a lot of time and money. You have to build a community and gather many testimonials, which can take months or even years. With Master Resell Rights, you get ready-made courses, an established community, and plenty of testimonials right from the start. All you have to do is drive traffic to your offer and start making money immediately. In this training, I will show you how. MRR works exceptionally well with Facebook ads. As you might have guessed, the program I'm promoting is a Master Resell Rights opportunity. The name of the program is Digital Wealth Academy, DWA, and you will get this training for free if you purchase DWA from me. And I am not the only person making money with this program. At the time of this video, the program already has more than 60,000 members and people are making a lot of money. As you can see on my screen, Cindy made around $13,000 in 2 months. Monica made $62,000 in 2 weeks. Then you have Kay that made $14,000 in 6 weeks. Here you have Selena, a beginner that has never sold anything online before joining this opportunity, and she made around $2,700 in just 2 weeks. Then you have Jessica that made $80,000 in just 1 month. I can go on and on. There are thousands of testimonials like these on their platform. The program is also translated into multiple languages such as Spanish, German, Italian, and French, so you can promote it all over the world. The second step is to develop a high-converting sales funnel. After you have decided which offer to promote, you need a website to promote that offer. One of the reasons I am able to generate that many sales with this program is because I do have a high-converting sales funnel. A sales funnel is a website where you direct traffic to convert visitors into customers. It is essential for improving user experience, gaining actionable insights, and maintaining a competitive edge. In this training, I will show you how you can duplicate my high-converting sales funnel and use it as your own. I will also show you how to automate your email sequences, so you can follow up with your leads. The third step is to drive traffic to your website. Driving traffic to your website is crucial. There are many methods you can use, such as creating videos on YouTube or TikTok, joining multiple Facebook groups in your niche and sending DMs to the members, or sending DMs to people on Instagram. I recommend using these free methods initially, especially if you don't have money to spend on ads. Once you make your first sale, you can reinvest that money into Facebook ads. In this training, we are only going to focus on Facebook ads. Let me guide you through the step-by-step process of creating Facebook ads using an advertising bot. This method works for any business, but for this example, we'll focus on Mark, who has developed a coaching program for football coaches. The first thing you need to do is to create a buyer persona. A buyer persona is a detailed, semi-fictional representation of your ideal customer based on market research and real data. Here's the prompt we are going to use. You are a digital marketer and you specialize in user behavior and research. I want you to create a detailed buyer persona for my coaching program called The Football Secrets. It teaches football coaches the strategies to win more games, impact more lives, and elevate coaching careers. As you can see, you have to be very specific. Here's our buyer persona. It gives you the exact demographic of people you need to target. You do not have to guess or spend a lot of money testing multiple target audiences. It gives you their behavior, their pain points, their goal and motivations. It even gives you different strategies that you can use to target these people. Now that we have our buyer persona, we need to create our Facebook ad script. Here's the prompt we are going to use. You are now a Facebook ad specialist. I want you to write 5 ads for my buyer persona. The goal is to get them to watch a webinar that explains how, after struggling with inconsistent team performance for years, I finally found a system that has allowed me to win more games and positively impact my players' lives. Use the free webinar as a hook. Use the IDA framework and create the ads in the style of Billie Jean is marketing. Format the output in Markdown, including headings, subheadings, and bullet points where necessary. The bot was able to return 5 sample ads. You can test all 5 of them to see which one convert the best. Now I am going to show you a trick that I use to improve the quality of my ad scripts. I am going to use this prompt. I want you to now act as the buyer persona and critique these ads. Give me objections and suggestions as well. As you can see, the bot was able to generate critiques from the perspective of our buyer persona. And based on these critiques, he was able to give us some suggestions. Now we need to add this prompt. Implement all your suggestions. The suggestions were implemented on our 5 ads. Then we need to generate the script for your video ads. I usually prefer to use videos instead of images. I believe videos convert better, and I like to keep my video ads under 1 minute. We are going to use this prompt. Using the same style, create 2 1-minute video scripts that I can use for 2 videos. Strictly give me the script only, and do not include any B-roll, timestamps, or scene descriptions. As you can see, the bot was able to generate 2 video scripts. You can use the script as it is, or you can make some modifications before using it. You can make the video on your own, or you can use our video ads creator bot to generate the video. So we need to copy the script and paste in our video ads creator bot. I am going to make some modifications and then submit. You need to wait for a few minutes. Here's the video.
Hey football coaches, Mark Thompson here. Are you tired of inconsistent team performance? Imagine having a reliable system that guarantees winning more games and making a lasting impact on your players' lives. After years of struggle, I discovered the ultimate coaching system that turned my team around. And now, I want to share it with you. Join our free webinar and learn the secrets to coaching success. You'll get actionable tips, advanced strategies, and real-life examples from coaches who transformed their teams. Don't miss this opportunity. Click the link below to secure your spot and start your journey to coaching excellence. See you there.
How amazing is that? As you can see, the video is using an avatar. You can change the avatar or you can generate the video without an avatar. It is really up to you. Now we have our target audience, we have our ad script, and we have our video ads. We can now create our Facebook ad campaign pretty easily. In the training, I will show you how to configure ads on Facebook to get the best results. I will also reveal all the AI tools and prompts I use to create ad creatives, video ad scripts, webinar scripts, and more. The fourth step is to scale your business. When your ads campaigns are successful and start generating sales, I will show you how to scale them to consistently hit that $20,000 plus per month target. So these are the 4 steps you need to follow to generate sales consistently with Facebook ads. Imagine having a reliable system that consistently brings you sales after sales every month, achieving that $20,000 goal with ease. Picture yourself transforming your life with financial freedom, working on your own terms, and having more time to spend with loved ones. Our proven system combines Facebook ad strategies with artificial intelligence-driven techniques to help you achieve consistent sales and financial freedom. This strategy can be used to promote any digital products. Thank you for watching this presentation until the end. And note that you will get this training for free as bonus if you purchase Digital Wealth Academy from me. You will find the link of DWA below this video. I'm excited to help you succeed with Facebook ads and AI. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the chat. Let's make your $20,000 per month goal a reality.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.